Sabay-sabay tayo mga meron ka entry dito?
Dito na lang, dito na lang yung picture taken. Ano?
Sa Canada, in your nearest Cineplex cinemas na ba? O ganito na lang ba?
Ako picture lang.
Palabas na po ang Maple Leaf Dreams sa Canada in your nearest Cineplex cinemas. Ay, nawala.
Okay? Ready?
Okay.
Ready? Rolling. And go.
Hi everyone, it's Kier Ballinger here.
And I'm Ellie Santos.
And we have good news for you. Ipapalabas na po sa Canada ang Maple Leaf Dreams in your nearest Cineplex cinemas.
Sabay-sabay tayong may love, umiyak, at mangarap sama ang pamilya.
Picture lang gano'n. Gano'n. Picture.
So dito na lang.
Oh, dyan yung scene natin.
Ay, scene na. Okay, one, two, three. Ito pa. One, two, three. Okay, guys, picture.
Together.
One, two, three. Pwede close na lang. Yeah.
Lang po.
Okay. One, two, three. One more. One, two, three.
Ate,
Ito naman
start
po.
na. Mag-start na.
Ang po lang yung pa-picture po. Pa-picture po.
Mag-start na.
Hindi, pa-picture lang, isa lang. Isa lang. 1, 2, 3.
Ni Kira. Sobrang proud na proud po kami dito at sobrang excited kami na makita nyo po. Kaya sana po ma-enjoy nyo po at sana po magustuhan nyo. Kaya ito po si Miss Kira. Hi ka.
Yes, hello. I'm sure you've seen us all a while ago. Pero sobrang thank you po talaga sa inyong lahat na pumunta ngayong gabi to support our movie. It truly means the world to us. And matagal na po namin to shoot 1 year ago. So finally, excited po kaming dalawa. Actually, all of us are excited na panoorin nyo. So ulit, sana mag-enjoy kayo. Ayun lang. Thank you.
Palakpakan po natin ang wonderful director namin, si Direk Benedict Mike po.
Ayun, thank you for coming. Tag dito. Ayun, maski parang magulong panahon ngayon, nandito kayo. Tag dito, let's enjoy the movie. Tapos we have an announcement. Hindi ko alam kung nilabas na, pero we have regular screenings in Canada. As in Cineplex, regular screenings. I think it's the first time that, in a way, an independent producer got in that system. It's a very hard system to get into. Pero when they watched the film, nagulat kami, they said yes. So it's a win for Filipino films. Thank you. Yeah, thank you. Ay, pakisabin lang po, pakikalat po yung balita. September 25, our regular run. So, nationwide in more than 100 cinemas dito sa Pilipinas. Okay, so thank you po for coming again and spread the word. It's let's support quality Filipino films. Okay, thank you. Pasok na. Note tayo.